Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we will see how to create a dashboard. Let's see with example. Here I have created some data. Using this, let's see how to create a dashboard. Here we have location Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi. In the matches we have 3 matches, match 1, match 2, match 3, and also given some players name Sachin, Sehwag, Dravid and Dhoni, and also given some scores for set 1 and set 2, and I will create a percentage for this set 1 and set 2. From this data, let's see how we can create a dashboard using slices and graph. First, let's create a pivot table. Shortcut key for pivot table is Alt D P. Once we click, it will create a window. Let's click next. The ranges it will automatically be selected. Then click next. If you want to create the pivot table in new sheet, click on new worksheet. If you want the pivot table in same sheet, then click on existing worksheet and give the range where you want to see the pivot table. Now I want the pivot table in new worksheet, so let it be, then click finish. The pivot table window is open. Now select whatever you want. So in row label I need players. Click on players. For values I need set 1 and set 2. Once you click, it will automatically be updated because the set 1 and set 2 have values, so automatically be updated. I change the names so that it will be easy to identify. Players, so this is our pivot table. For this pivot table I create an slices. So in the option you will be see insert slices. Click on insert slicer. Here whatever you want you can click on that. I want location and matches in the slicers, so it will automatically be created. So move it to anywhere. I'm moving to left hand side. Let it will drop. So arrange it. Matches. In pivot table I include percentage also. I name it as percentage and I'll format it to percentage. Go to percentage and it will be click OK. So it changed to percentage. So in slices you can change whatever you need. So these are in, so I need in 2 column or 3 column. If I click up, it will automatically changes. See, we have 2 columns. If you want 1 column, it will be normal. If you want 2 columns, it will be arranged. If you want 3, it automatically arrange. So I keep it as it is, single column. And also we can change the height, width using this. See, the height is increasing and width. So whatever is selected, it will automatically be changed. same as height and width. So option will be here. So we have created slices. Now I want to create a graph. So go to data. What the thing is, we need to create a pivot table. RTP. Click yes. Click next. It asks you new worksheet or existing worksheet. Same new worksheet. So previously it was sheet 5. Once I click finished, the sheet is created. Here I need players and set 1. Here create a graph. Go to pivot chart. I use column for this. We have some labels here. I want to remove. For that, right click and hide all fields button. It will automatically by hide. So I need to change the colors or something. You can use this format. You can select whatever format you need. So I am using this. Copy. Copy, paste it. So one graph is over. So I need to create another graph. For that, remove this. So if you want, you can change it. Let's change it, this one. Go to chart type. If you want a line, you can choose line graph. Click on OK. So it will change line graph. You can use line graph. So instead of that, I will use line graph. Remove it and use line graph. So I taken set 1. So another graph I need all the 3. So click on option, go to pivot chart. Here you can use it column. Click. The column will be created. Here removing these headings by hide all fields. Now we can change the color whatever you need. Just by selecting some colors, use this format. Let it be like this white. Let's reduce the size to fit into same sheet. So this graph inclusive of all. This graph includes only set 1. So now we have completed 2 graphs. This one deleted. Now go to data. Again create a pivot table. Click OK. Go to existing worksheet. Click. I am using sheet 6. Click somewhere and click finish. Now select players. I need set 2. Now create a graph. Here I am use bar graph. I click on bar graph, click OK. Now I am removing the names, hide. Now click and choose some colors. Now copy and paste. Okay, paste it here. Click and reduce the size. I am little bit reducing the size so that it will fit into one sheet. Let's see. Okay. So this one is set to. So I need the percentage to see in another graph. Now go to sheet 1, create a pivot table, click, go to existing sheet, go to click on existing worksheet, click and select somewhere else, click and finish. Now I need players and percentage. Now format change, go to percentage is created. Now create a graph. I am creating pie chart. So using pie chart I create a graph. Here right click and hide. Now chart is created. So let's select whatever chart you need. See normal. Now reduce the size here itself and copy, paste it here. Arrange it. Now, so all the graph in same sheet. Now we have created the graph. Now I want to, if I select Chennai, I want to see all the data there. Let's see whether it's changing or not. Once I click Chennai, the only this sheet alone is changes, others remaining the same. Why? Because we need to do some modification. Right click on slicers and click on pivot table connections. You will see all the pivot table connections here. Select and click OK. Same like this, click pivot table connections, select all the pivot table, click OK. Now we can see that whether it's changing all the graph. Click on Chennai, see all the graph is changing. Click on Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai. See, click on matches, see that changing. So we can see the difference. By clicking this, you can see the charts. So whatever you need. So this is how we need to create a dashboard. I hope you understand how to create a dashboard. Thank you. Have a nice day.